All right, gonna do a quick walkthrough of the international terminal on the side of doors 18 to 27, but this is the security line in customs. So first you're gonna go through customs where they stamp out your visa, and then you go through these metal detectors here after that. Mine was a fairly quick process, probably about like 15 minutes for both of them together. And yeah, let's go check out the doors. So yeah, straight away after security, duty free. And then you check your gates here and times. There's a convenience shop here. Up here are a couple of lounges. You gotta go upstairs. A lot of these souvenir shops. Here. It's on this side. This is more of a premium shop over here. Left-hand side is where all the gates are. You just got to go down to your gates. Jewelry by gate 18. Duty free. More jewelry. On the left here, Star Cafe. So one thing to note is once you get inside the terminal, the prices get back to Western prices. I'm not sure if you can see that, but like the espresso is $4, a latte is $5, US dollars that is. But if you go outside the terminal, it's probably gonna be like $1, less than $1. Oh, there's a smoking lounge. More shops, lots of shops. And refreshments. So a lot of these souvenir shops along the way. Almost like every gate. Lots of selling of coffee. Vietnam is very much known for coffee. Lots of coffee.
Đừng cãi.
There's a sit-down food place. See the prices there. A bowl of pho is $11 US. Menus over here. Looks like fried chicken's on the menu. More of these shops, more of these souvenir shops in the kiosks, large, big kiosks on the side. By gate 21 and through 25, give you a nice view of the planes coming in and out. So I'm taking Vietnam Airlines today, gate 27, all the way at the end. So it's maybe hard to see, but Vietnam Airlines over there. There's Singapore Air over here. Air Asia's out there. Asiana's right there. Shops. There are these two coffee shops ahead. just right across from each other, so you're kind of staring at each other. Highlands is well known all throughout the city in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh. There's Puro Gusto, which has seating, and which is where I got my coffee, my cafe soda. $7.70 for a large, but it's very good. Fresh food. This is the end over here. Getting close to the end. For food. Let's go down those escalators down to my gate. I'll go straight away. Saw something caught my eye. See what it is. Sleep zone. These might be sleeping pods, but it doesn't let you go in right now. Cool. Well, that's one side of the international terminal. Really cool. A lot of shops. A lot of ways to buy more stuff and eat food and drinks. Enjoy.